time. Get that squirrel. Get the squirrel in the blizzard. Get the squirrel. Get that squirrel. Get that squirrel. Get that squirrel. Okay, that's enough. Woo! And look at, there's Christina in the blizzard. The blizzard of '09 on Christmas Eve going into Christmas Day. Look, check it out. It is brutal out here.
Hi.
Ooh, it's cold out here. Get that squirrel. Go get that squirrel. Get that squirrel. Oh, I can't get this to go any further than that. It's cold out here. Holy crap. And there's my little camper with his little lights on. The blizzard of '09. Get that squirrel. Let's go run. Check it out. Oh my God, this is so cold. I think I'm going to go inside. I'm freezing to death.